Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the MagicMiner FM01. I've been thinking a lot about what I wanted to do with this for a little while, and I've been thinking about anyone else who's been running these miners, especially with something new that just happened in the market. In this video I'm planning on showing you guys the current profitability of my FM01 on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to show you guys what the projected income would be if I switched it over to a different type of mining pool. So sit back, relax. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and move on to what I'm talking about. So first thing we see on the screen here is the fact that we are basically everything's in the red again. We have had some good upward movements here recently, but as you can see right now, everything is a little down. So what I want to go ahead and do and show you guys, ooh, look at that, everything just turned green, almost everything, is right here. Let me switch over to this mining pool, which is what I have my FM01 on right now, which is the Cryptex mining pool. Why am I showing you guys this? Well, I want to show you guys what the average hash rate is that it's showing you guys that the pool sees, which is 37.63 terahash. And this is what I've earned in roughly about a week and a half, 2 weeks worth of mining. So that's $13.42 a day in USD. So what I want to do now is I want to come back over here to the Bitcoin mining pool that they have, and I want to show you guys this. I'm going to go ahead and drop this down to 35 terahash, because that's roughly what mine is running at. I do have it on the performance mode. So as you can see, I'm going to be making roughly $1.45 per day. If you look right down here though, there's two little drop downs. It says BTC profitability rating is 74, which is the mid-range. But then we've got this new one, which is Quai, and their new SOAP algorithm. They actually have allowed other miners to mine. And if you look right across the top here, you can see SHA-256. You can see our script miner, and you can also see the Kapow algorithm. So these different algos work with the new Quai SOAP network, which means that we're going to potentially be able to make a lot more. So let's go ahead and do this really quick and switch over to the Quai. So for the same amount of hash rate, switching over to this, we're going to be earning $1.95 per day. Now the thing about the SOAP upgrade that happened on Quai is it allows you to mine the coins that you would normally mine, and then it will actually go ahead and after 2 weeks, after everything is calculated properly, you will get a payout to your wallet if you hit the threshold. So I haven't actually switched over my Bitcoin miner to this yet, but I am highly considering it. It's either that or I'm going to drop it onto a solo pool. One of those two. If I do drop it on a solo pool, I'll probably switch it over to Bitcoin Cash, because why not? It's going to be a lot easier for me to go ahead and hit a solo block on Bitcoin Cash than it probably would on Bitcoin itself. With that being said, a lot of my actual solo miners are still on solockpool.org, and I know one of my miners is going to hit. I just got that feeling. You know what I mean? So I'm going to switch over to my mini Doge 3 Litecoin Dogecoin miner. I actually have two of them on here. One of them is, as you can see down here, the mini Doge 3, and the other one is my Gold Shell Byte, because I do have the Dogecoin card in there right now. So right here, you can actually see what we're earning, what I've earned so far here recently. If we were to go back to the script one, so you can see we're roughly right around 700 mega hash. So we'll click on script. We're going to come over here and we're going to do this at 0.7. You can see right there on script itself with on the Quai algorithm, I'm going to be earning roughly right around 76 cents a day. If I were to look at Litecoin by itself and do the same thing at 0.7, which is roughly what we have, we're looking at 32 cents per day. So you can see I actually have my mini Doge 3 as well as my Gold Shell Byte on the Quai script mining algorithm, because I'm actually able to earn more. The drawback to using the whole Quai script algorithm is it does take a little bit of time for the payouts to happen. And the way that their algorithm and their consensus plan is roughly every 2 weeks, you'll actually be able to get a payout. So right here, you can actually see the total that's been paid already. I've earned about $5.18. And this right here does break it down as far as per cycle. So you can see right here, I've been running it since the end of December, beginning of January, all the way through currently. Now I did have it on for a couple days before Christmas, but because I was going to be away for 2 weeks, I went ahead and powered the miner down. That way, if there was any kind of issues, I wouldn't walk back to a smoldering pile. So as you guys can see, there is a lot more that's available to be made on this right here. So the question now lies is, what do you guys think? Do you guys know anything about this? Have you guys seen this before? Are you guys excited that crypto mining might be coming back and might be profitable again? How many of you guys have done anything with Quai? Do you guys have any idea what the Quai chain is? I remember when it first came out, I was like, ooh, that sounds like a pretty cool thing. But then I'm like, I don't want to really mine it because I didn't want to wait 2 weeks to get the payouts. But it was always more profitable. And now that they've actually upgraded their network to allow for SHA-256 miners and script miners and Kapow GPU mining to happen, it makes this so much more profitable than what it was before. And I know a lot of people are going to sit there and say out there that the crypto mining is dead, right? Because there's no profitability anywhere. Well, there is. You just have to know where to look. I have seen a couple YouTubers talk about this in the past. Whether or not they've actually switched over, I don't think so. I'm actually very tempted to move my GPU mining rig that I have hosted with East Coast Hardware down in Virginia. Please check out Mr. New England Crypto. That's his hosting facility. I've got a three-card GPU rig down there that's running with 3 3070s. I plan on adding a fourth 3070 to it. I also have 3 P106 graphics cards that I might even consider throwing on it. And if I do, I'm going to be torn between putting it on the Kapow algorithm or the actual Quai algorithm. Either way, I'm leaning towards switching my GPU rig to that and switching off of the solo mining pool that it's on right now. So this is just going to be a really short, quick video. I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys an update on the MagicMiner FM01. So we'll go ahead and dive into the actual GUI here. So as you guys can see, it's doing really well. It has great uptime. The power usage, as you can see on the GUI, is still just under 1400 watts. At the wall, we're just over 1400 watts. So there's always a little bit of a discrepancy between the two. Overall, my honest opinion on this miner is I actually really like it. I've got it sitting here right next to me, next to my desk, keeping my little area where I usually sit nice and toasty and warm, and I really enjoy it. It's so much nicer than the rest of my my office space here because it's always really cold in this room. I did show you guys in a previous video that the new Hash Watcher app actually does pick up the MagicMiner. And here's another really cool thing. If you guys saw the video I just released a little bit ago about the unboxing of the MagicMiner FM01, it does the same thing. It actually shows up on the Hash Watcher app. If you guys want to see how to set it up on there, please let me know down in the comments. I'm happy to go ahead and show you guys how to set it up. So to summarize all of this talking that I've done, my honest opinion of this unit itself is I really do like the MagicMiner FM01. I am really in love with this MagicMiner M001. The video I just released a couple days ago. It's really cool. I've been wanting to get a crypto tracker for a while, and this little guy right here not only is it a crypto tracker, but it's a wireless charger. It has really good audio quality with the music that you could play through it, as well as it's miner. So it's got the wireless charging. It's got a Bluetooth speaker on the inside. It's a crypto tracker, and it also mine's a very small amount of Bitcoin if you were to try to pool mine, but it's more of a solo miner. So with all that being said, my honest opinion, what I'm planning on doing is, and you guys might hate me for this, or you guys, I'm looking forward to see what you guys have to say, to be honest with you, but I think right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chase a little bit of profitability with this FM01, and I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to the Quai SHA-256 mining algorithm, and I'll let it run on there for a couple weeks, and then from there I'll probably switch it back over to either Bitcoin pool mining or solo mining. So what are you guys doing out there? Are you guys mining? Are you guys interested in getting any miners? If you are, please use my referral links and discount codes down below. I did just recently add a Amazon referral link. That's actually where I got my GoPro Hero 13 from, my little stand that I use when I'm recording videos here. I'm, all the crypto equipment that I do, as well as the head mount, the chest mount, stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, please feel free to use my Amazon referral link down below. If you're interested in any kind of crypto, please check out the referral links down below as well for the crypto. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I hope that I've been able to give you guys a good update on this unit. And I also wanted to show you guys that there is some profitability that could be had even from a unit like the FM01. So with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the bell notification on so that we don't miss out on any future videos that I end up doing. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Also, if you guys are interested in any car related videos, my friend, he actually is starting to upload some more videos, and I think his channel is Drive for Coffee, I think. I'll have to double check. I'll put his link down below as well. Please check him out if you guys are interested. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace out. Have a great rest of your time.